Yeah, well, that is definitely in the cards today.
Seems about right, doesn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah. I mean, they're talking again, Fed increase. So we thought October would rally because of earnings. No question, earnings were pretty good, but then, reality starts setting in November. That's a good one, Jennifer. I saw that. I didn't know Alba did a Money Money song. That was pretty cool. Hey, Lulu. I'm doing the numbers. We'll be back in a few. Coaches guiding you guys on the wagon train to wealth. I like that. For the Western theme the other day. And don't worry, this
A story, and I'm sticking to it, Coach.
yeah, that's a good one. Yeah. And this wagon train won't be going through the dawn of
Hey,
death.
Lulu's back.
Nobody has to be a cannibal.
Welcome back to the show, Lulu. Hey, yay. New houses, always good. I hate moving there. Jennifer T, can it go to 33079 today? Yes, it can. It definitely can.
Hey guys, while I'm doing the numbers, you guys want to finish up your pre-open plan and at least give me a good volatility number? We can.
Oh crap! I'm
pick
still
a
in the
decent
show.
one.
Yep. Let's get your volatility numbers together, guys. We've already gotten a couple in. Good job, those who did it. Here you go, Kurt. Diedrich, good job. Her name is Betty, Will Trade. Her name is Betty. 160. A little low there, Bill. A little low. Lulu, you missed it. We're giving out little prizes for people who didn't do their homework and stuff at boot camp. And one of them was the only way I can describe it is the most ridiculous looking plastic chicken that makes this noise ever. A little high there, Jennifer. 60. It's not fun. I'm pretty sure I scare new potential members away with that, but it's my house, Chucky's sister. It is pretty. Betty's not far off from that. That's pretty darn close to what Betty looks like, except for she's got hairpins and rollers in her hair. I'll take a picture of Betty and send it. Not very far off from Betty. Pretty darn close, right, Robert? Still trailing. Anybody in this room with me still? Yeah. Now that is an excellent idea, Will Trade. I could make Bootcamp Betty my avatar picture. It is kind of the most annoying sound in the world. I do agree with you guys on that. I'm still short. Is there anybody in this trade with me? Do I need to keep calling out stops? Because I'm not. Robert, I know you are. I'm staying in it. Just staying in it, Robert. It's gonna be one of those, Robert, where I wish I had more than one contract left. Hopefully, you got back in on the retracement, Bill. Is that what you did? Please tell me that's what you did. Anything else would be reckless. Took that little retracement, jump back in. Yay. Nay. There you go, Dan. Good job. You can be in late and still make money. I think we're going lower. Oh, okay. You did a sell stop. That's all right. That little flag that happened. It started on the bar that started it was at 8:40 and 28 seconds. And then it made a little flag right around that support area of 241. Got that, Ghost Piper. Makes sense. Guys, those of you on trial, there's people just showing up on trial. Please watch your orientation video after you've been with us for a day or so. Schedule time with one of our coaches. They will answer any questions that you have. The best thing you can do also is participate in the room. Most of you guys that are joining us on trial are people who have traded before or pretty well versed in the market. So pay attention, take notes. If you're going to follow along with our trades, please ask questions like Ghost Piper and who's the other person? Other people have been asked questions on trial. You got to ask questions. We'll answer them. Good morning, Fred. Please do not trade cash your first couple days in the room. As a matter of fact, we advise you not trading cash until you can prove to yourself that you can follow our methodology and be profitable for 30 days. Lowering the stop now. Is that a double? We're going to have a double. Come on, 112. 200 tick runner. Looks like it might break downward. Looks that way. It already done that. It's done that. Guys, we're going to catch a little bit of support here. Looks like. Good job, guy. Yeah, this will be my only trade of the day, guys. That's why I'm trying to stay in it. Dan, Guy, you got out, right? Dan got out. You guys are flat now. Good job, Guy. And you're done for the day, Guy? Just say yes. Good job, Guy. That's the name of the game, guys. Get done quick and move about your life. That is the name of the game. I happen to still be trailing. Let's see if this little support is acting like resistance now. The rule of thumb there, Sabri, would always be the mid Bollinger Band when you're deep into profits. Typically like to try to let it take out the mid Bollinger Band once or twice before attaching it to it. A situation like this, it would work perfectly. So yeah, mid Bollinger. I don't really ever use upper or lower unless I'm so far into profits that it's ridiculous. Just because it'll move your stop up and down. You don't want that. Yeah. And let's see what's the other query. We're going to take a short again. Oh, Sarter. New member. Watch the video, Sarter. Am I pronouncing your name right? Sarter. Make sure to watch the beginner videos. They're basic, pretty straightforward, easy to understand videos, but that's going to give you the idea of what we're waiting for to go short again. So we're really waiting for high stochastics, nice hook on the stochastics. Looking at the time too, guys. We got plenty of time before the open. So if you get a good little hook on stochastics, you could short again. Again, I'm still trailing this one, so I'd probably let it come up a little bit more. If you short it, treat it like a scalp. Do it. If you're really itching Sarter to get into that. Got it? Sarter. Iftikhar. I think I pronounced that right. Yeah, Randy. Okay, thanks, Sarter. Am I pronouncing your name right? Most importantly. Let's take a little bit of profit on that trade now. Well, it takes a while. Guys, seriously, Sarter, these guys will tell you, you need a month of learning the process, learning the style, learning the language. Thank you. These guys will tell you, it takes a month to get ingrained in everything. Hopefully you guys took some profit on that already if you did it. So here's the deal, Randy. You ready, Randy? Ready? Ready? Randy? Let the parabolic get taken out one time, especially when we have a very trending market. If we're range bound like yesterday, that's not as important. Today, when you're purely directional. Let the parabolic get taken out one time, and then let price action go back in your favor before attaching to the parabolic. Make sense? Hey, novel concept. Those of you that went to boot camp, you learned that in boot camp, right? Wait till the retracement happens before you get too aggressive with your stops. Everybody should be flat. Coach is back with the numbers. Let's get ready to have a great day. I would say prepare to be amazed, but well, dang, if you guys aren't
Already amazed, yeah.
already amazed, and
Yeah.
this is the wrong room for you.
Okay, guys, we thank you for for your volatility numbers. Coach and I decided on 212 is a good volatility area, right in between some of your estimates, which are pretty good. That's what we want to see. You know, an evaluation. We down. It rallied right after 4 o'clock and then settled at 33,591. Sort of,
Hey,
you know, hey, we might start getting lower. And then, of course, overnight, we had the sell-off. So 212, support and resistance are on there right now. Let's see. Let me get that out of the way. 657 is resistance. 32,991 or 990. I can't get that. Let's see. 80 for some
you guys
reason.
good. If we're within 10 ticks, we did a pretty good job.
Yeah. No, it's not showing. I can't get, you know, it's
Did you speak to any of our institutional?
990. So I'm doing the numbers right now.
Fantastic.
They're ready to go.
Did you speak to any of our institutional friends?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
And they said we did a great job yesterday helping them out. No, really. I mean, they weren't doing much because it was a narrow day, and you know, big money likes action. They like the market directional, not sideways, which makes sense. But it broke support. If you remember, yesterday 33,403 was the support that was broken. That's a good selling area for today, right? If it comes back up to 33,403 area, not too bad. Let's see, where's my spreadsheet here? I've got to update that. Today's the 17th. Yeah. All right.
Okay, now I'm gonna get my coffee. Be back in a minute, guys.
All right. And goes to the reports. And now there's the daily numbers. Everyone should be green this morning. 2 good trades. We had a nice long on a reversal, and then a nice short over 100-point winner. Everybody should be at least 2 for 2. This long is a counter trend long, so unless you have permission, you should not be long right now.
We're up huge in cash.
Yeah. Everybody should be copying down their plan. For a couple of you, if you caught a couple of runners already, or at least one, that's it. You're done for the morning at least. My goal when I was recovering from 49 months of losses was to make $35 after commission and quit for the whole day, just to start the discipline process, to have a plan and execute it. And, it is kind of funny. You say, well, $35, well, that's ridiculous. Anybody can do that. Try it. Well, then all of a sudden you're up $35. You don't want to quit. It's the hardest thing in the world to do. And you think, well, any moron can do that. You make $35. I can't make a living. Well, anybody quit. And then you can't. You wind up like, I got to do another trade.
Take another trade. That's why we're giving the 30-day challenge to bootcamp members.
Yeah.
30 days of profits. I don't care if it's $5 or $5,000. 30 days of profits. 30 days. You can do that for 30 days straight. You are a winner. That is very true, Spencer. Very, very true. Very, very true. Coach, I started 2 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
The $150 account. A little bit over 200. It's not
horrible. Not bad. Yeah, we can do it, guys. We show it to you all the time. Not to brag. It's mainly to show that it can be done.
It can be done.
But the first thing, before how much money you're going to make, the first thing is to eliminate disastrous losses. We can get you back from a 20-point loss, or if you're down $100, but it's hard to do that when, first of all, it's hard to do it if you blew out your account.
Yeah.
Yeah. I lost everything. Well, then it's called begging.
Gambling.
Yeah. They'll take this trade. Well, I can't because I don't have a margin account anymore. Yeah.
It doesn't. But you do.
Yeah, it's all psychological.
You create, guys, you believe it or not, that it is a habit that you create in chasing trades and chasing losers. Is it just a habit? Nothing more, nothing less. I will stick with that through my dying day.
And it did seem like a contradiction to me, because it's like, all right, I had a plan to make $35. I did the plan, then, okay, I'll do something else. And think about that for a minute. What other profession violates a plan? My doctor had a plan to do my back surgery. He didn't go, hey, while I'm in here, maybe we'll suck some fat out of this guy, like do a stomach liposuction. Hey, you know what? I'll just give it a shot.
That would have been convenient.
He quits. He's done. He did his spinal surgery and he goes home or whatever. Plays golf.
Bass fishing.
Yeah.
I don't know. But your guy did look like a bass fisherman.
Right. That was funny, right? I didn't tell anybody. I'm talking about my doctor. We're at this housewarming thing, this overpriced house exhibit.
Across the road?
Across the road. 5.2. They sold it for $3.9 million finally.
Oh, they did?
Yeah. They took $1 million off because the pool was dirty or something. I don't know.
Oh, that was that house was way overpriced.
Yeah. With all the acrobats and that was weird.
Flamethrower.
Yeah, flame-throwing women on stilts. I mean,
that was actually
weird.
Cool. I thought it was funny and weird at the same time.
Yeah.
But it made sense that it was like the Eyes Wide Shut house.
Well, they were trying to get more weird than the guy who lived next door.
That's right.
That's the whole thing. They said, how are we going to outdo this character? Anyway, I'm talking
Like,
about,
is he at
yeah, I
Tom
got back
Peter's
surgery.
house?
My doctor's pretty good. And, he's a good guy. He came down.
Sure.
He's not knife hungry and blah, blah, blah. And he goes, thank you. And I turn around. He's standing right next to me. It was kind of funny.
Yeah, I had a good chat with him on Doc.
He was trolling for business. He had a scalpel out in business cards. Hey, anybody need surgery? Come on, guys.
like
Your
this
back
guy.
looks like you could, yeah, I think I see a little curvature there. I hope you.
Coach, I think I like the cell signal, but get your thoughts.
Yeah. What time is it? Oh, we got.
9:20. Oh, we don't. Yeah, we probably should wait a little bit.
Yeah, this is forming the basis of it right there with that little spike. Like
It seems like
little island.
Like to see it go a little lower
If
first.
the next one comes out and it doesn't penetrate that 70, I think I'll scalp it. I'll take one contract.
Seems like a smart plan. There it is.
Yep.
Oof. We keep getting people showing up on trial. Those of you that show up on trial, happy to have you here. Please pay attention, take notes, have a pen and piece of paper ready. Watch, listen, participate, ask questions. Most importantly, watch your orientation video. We keep things pretty darn simple, straightforward around here. The markets can be complicated enough. After you watch your orientation video and you've been in for a day, schedule time with a coach. There's a button that you can do that. We'll answer any questions you have. Obviously, you can ask questions in the room here. You can private chat your coaches if you click on the hamburger menu up top left. And download the mobile app. You can have us on the go with the mobile app.
Yeah, if you take this short 245 target, Sartor.
Thank you. Sorry about that. Last thing I got, guys, is please no trading in cash. Those of you on trial or newer with us, if you're going to practice, prove to yourself that you can follow this methodology for at least a month and be profitable before even going to a small amount of cash. Our sincere advice is chat with one of us, one of the coaches, so we can help guide you in the right direction. That's my story. And sticking to it. Sartor, all right. Schedule coaching call, Sartor. Oh, yeah, that's right. You said you were joining last night. Happy to have you. Fantastic. Make sure to watch the basic videos, Sartor. Please get through those basic videos as quick as you can. And I would recommend having a coaching session with Miss Coach Chanel, and she will get you going in the right direction, Sartor. Sir or ma'am? Let me see. She'll say, sir. There's Coach Chanel. She will get you going in the right direction, sir. Trucking. Now I'm going to start calling you Went Off. Went Off. Move your stop sound, guys.
Here's your 245 target, Sartor.
Did you get it, Sartor? You could do trading. I like that. That's pretty cool. Good job, Sartor. Good job. Anybody else do that? Anybody else see that short?
Yeah, about 12 ticks, guys. Nice little profit.
Yeah.
And get ready for the open.
Good job, Chanel. Oh, Diedrich, Krug, everybody got it. Good job. But it's obviously not everybody.
Order filled. 245.
Did they give us a 7 o'clock game this weekend?
We beat Sukasa by 2 minutes.
Yeah, just got the Sukasa short signal. Not a bad one either.
I like this, Coach. I was telling you. When you speak to Hugo, give him that update. Or I'll when I
We're gonna do it. We're gonna have a group meeting tomorrow at when is it? Noon.
that'd be perfect. Yeah.
Noon. So feel free to jump in. We'll all be in there. Hopefully, Coach Ryan, you'll be able to be in that as well. Noon. Or I think we're trading together, right?
Yeah, I'll be around.
We're trading in the morning together.
Sure.
Fantastic.
Party time.
Party time. Fish, you joining us?
Well, there's Hugo. Hi, Hugo. Good morning.
Pope anticipated correctly. Fish, you around? All right. I think we're gonna try our good friend Jeff Lindsley's house. He's got a nice little office there.
I'm gonna bring my rod, my fishing pole.
Oh.
Fish should too.
Fantastic. Do it. I mean, we'll be done at 1. Might as well do some fishing afterwards. $3:30. All right. I do have your cell phone number, right, Fish? I will. I'll text you. Actually, what we're going to do is after we get done trading, we're going to throw you in the water and see if Ryan can catch you. No? Bad joke.
That's pretty good. I'll need a bigger hook, but it's all good.
Probably a bigger rod, too. And I am not going to gaff him. I'll let somebody else do that. Not a bad sell signal before the open, guys. That'll be it. I love that. Gotta be quicker than that. All right, Dan. Good deal. Now we just wait, guys. No trading for the first 6 minutes. Unless you have explicit permission from a coach or you have one of those little elite badges next to your name, or we know you as a trader and we know that you can do it. So just to keep yourself safe, guys. Those of you on trial, we are going to be very patient traders. We wait for our trade setups. Don't get too anxious to jump in. Plus, we've had a great morning this morning.
Yeah, we don't need to pile on. You know, you don't want to get too greedy. Markets try to take your money away. I sent you that note, Coach Hugo. Kind of interesting, you know, to add to an amazing program. One minute to the open. Should get a little boisterous on the open. 10 seconds. Remember, wait 6 minutes. You'll be glad you did. So everybody, be amazed. Here we go. We are open for business.
Let's go. Good morning, Mike. Let the craziness ensue.
Our volatility number is 212.
And we are
Wait 6 minutes.
that's where I took my first short this morning. No, guys, we're saying wait 6 minutes, and then we're saying a sell signal is forming. More advanced traders should only be trading in the first 6 minutes. It is for your own protection. Wow, we got a lot of people here today. Over 200.
Mm-hmm.
People are coming out for the show, Coach.
Getting
That's a good
ready.
example. That is a good example, guys, of why only experienced traders should trade the open. If you an experienced trader could take that short off that pivot level, gotten profits, and then let it keep going up. I did nothing. Coach did nothing. We're waiting.
Yeah,
But,
we're waiting for the sell signal to develop. You'll see it.
Are you long, Tim? Somebody finally started doing counter trend trades.
Mm-hmm.
I've seen Tim's trade log. All of you have seen Tim's trade log. He has definitely improved the trade counter trend. Nice. That was kind of like a 1-2-3 reversal. Just took like an hour to play out.
Yeah. Market, they always push it up, right off the open because everybody's short. So they want to run those stops and get everybody stopped out. We know this for a fact, guys.
We see it happen 3 to 4 days a week.
Mm-hmm.
Tim's got a – how many ticks you got, Tim? You're probably flat now. I was hoping it is 100. Yeah, I figured you were flat on that sell signal. Edric. Wow. You guys are almost done for the day then. I am short now, guys. Yeah, Tim, be done in cash. Yeah, 100% win rate. Definitely be done in cash.
One more minute, and you guys can have some fun.
D, nice job. These boot camp attendees and Tim are crushing it this morning. Get you guys. Just kidding, Denise. Good job though. Seriously. Did you guys ever see the Key and Peele skit? There was like a underprivileged like neighborhood, and the professor like, or was a decent neighborhood, and the professor comes in and he's from like the ghetto or something. Nice job, Tim. Nice job. Anybody seen that? It's hilarious. Oh, it's hilarious. You got to look up Key and Peele. It's like mispronouncing kids' names or something like that. So the professor's like from the ghetto, and he's like, Denise is this girl's name is Denise. He goes, D nice. He's doing roll call. Yeah, the substitute teacher. That's it. Yeah, Key and Peele substitute teacher. Look that up on YouTube. It is hilarious. Aaron.
Okay, gang, we do have permission now to wait for the first sell signal, and everyone can trade it.
Principal O'Shannon. What was his name?
Good sell stop might be about 313. 313.
All right. Got two left. There it is, Coach. Copy that link. Copy that link in from Lulu. I know you're trying to trade and make people money.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. Balaki.
Good morning, everyone. Paulina here with Liberty Trading Club. Thank you for joining our live stream this morning. If you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to the live trade calls in the room, as well as participate in chat and have your questions answered by a coach. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access, and you'll also unlock our core trading videos on our methodology. Please like, subscribe, and share.
Just be patient.
I think Coach said just be patient. I agree with him. Dan, this is probably not the best time for one of those runners. So don't get all rogue on us. Just saying. Don't want you taking too much risk.
Yeah, it takes 313 sell stop. In other words, if it breaks 314, you go short.
And Coach posted that a while ago, guys. A while. Let's see, 15 range. We just use the 15. So that's worth it, Tim. What did I miss here? So Coach Allen's. Seems right. Monica, the 15 range, we just use that as like a measuring stick for the 16 tick rule. 16 tick rule, because if you move 15 ticks and then the next bar starts a tick lower or higher, that is 16 ticks. That way you don't have to do math on the fly. Every day we get close to these pivot levels, guys. I keep telling you. Every day. Get close to the pivot levels. Be wary. If you're not an advanced trader, you should probably keep yourselves away from the pivots. Yeah, we got pretty close to it, I think. What would have been the high? What did the high need to be to hit the volatility number? What was the low, guys? Somebody tell me. That way I don't have to do the math. 403 need to be the high for the volatility number to hit. 402. Okay, close enough. Pretty darn close, guys. I just didn't look to see what the low was, Drew. All these new people. Hey, guys. Those of you just showing up on trial, happy to have you here. Please participate in chat, ask questions, take notes. Don't trade cash, trade on sim. If you're going to follow along, try to follow along with the trade setups. We are waiting for a sell stop or a volatility high number to get reached before entering another short trade. Yeah, trade on sim, don't trade cash. Make sure to watch your orientation video, schedule a coaching session. Enjoy your time with us. Welcome here. And we do give you, once you become a member, you get your basic training videos. And it's $99 a month to be a member of the room. You get those videos that include our trade setups and include exactly what we're waiting on here for a volatility number. Again, thanks for being here, guys. Please participate. 212. Sorry, Drew. I just didn't look at the low. That's all. Looked at it like a little while ago and forgot what it was. This is a head cold getting to me. Normally, I don't forget those numbers. Coach got a question for you if you're around.
Yep, I'm just waiting for my cell stop. Waiting for my cell stop at 313. Guys, I have a cell stop to go short at 313. It's not giving me that, so I'm standing aside, nothing to do.
Does that make sense, Coach?
Yep,
Yeah.
absolutely. Let's be patient, guys. The big boys have pushed it up so they can get their friends short. Once they do that, they'll knock it down. But until they do that, let's be good traders.
Be good boys and girls. Patient. This is the what successful traders do, guys. They don't have to be in a trade every 2 minutes. Successful traders can be wrong a lot because they'll test the waters. If they're wrong, they'll just sit on the lines until their setup comes. What was that? I think one of your mentors had like a 50% win rate or less than that, 30%. It still was super profitable. Coach?
Yeah,
Something like
absolutely.
that? 30% win rate. Super profitable.
38% and made a ton of money because the home runs, dwarf the small stops.
Now, we have pretty high expectations in this room. We expect close to an 80% win rate from you guys. Without the big losses.
Yeah.
There is sell signal. Boom. Base the X room we used to take 1 or 2 trades a day.
Getting ready.
I did that same trade, Tim. Got one left.
Guys, I have a sell stop at 313. I have not moved it. We'll see if the market cooperates. If not, I'm still done for the morning. We've had a home run, and I'm waiting for another home run.
You are.
I want my pitch. I want my pitch.
Me and Tim are in. Me and Tim are in. Oh, nice job, Diedrich. We just took that 16 tick rule sell signal, Coach.
Nice job, guys.
Good job, Pope. Nice job, guys. Good trade. Way to be patient. You guys know why they took that one instead of any of the other sell signals prior to that? You take a wild guess. $33 stochastics. Tim nailed it. Tim nailed it. Yeah, you have that too.
Guys, you could always add, if you're short and you're getting a profitable setup, add to it. You don't have to say, oh, I'm going to get out now. No, then you say, all right, this is working. I'm going to load it up. That's how we do it.
Other people add losers.
Yeah, we add to winners.
Hold on to losers longer.
Mr. Market will guide you to the caravan of love. Oh, what did we say before? The not station wagon, wagon train of profits. Yeah, or Western.
Oh yeah, we forgot to keep the Western theme up yesterday.
Yeah. You got this ledge here, guys, around 320. So if it breaks that, it should be able to. Probably can go with 319 on the sell stop now if you look at it. Don't have to wait for 313, but still, we want this thing to start tankarooing.
Kind of like to see momentum roll over a little bit there,
Yeah.
guys. Love to see the first touch rule here fail. That would be nice. It'd give me a little more confidence to add.
Yeah, exactly, guys. It is a predatory business. You always want to take advantage of the trader who makes mistakes. And if you're against the market knows where it's going, where it belongs. And when newbies go in the other direction, they're the ones who are going to lose.
Give me your lunch money, newbie.
Yeah, that's what it is. We're the big bullies.
I feel like I'm more like the guy.
Benevolent bully. Because we're Robin Hoods. We give it to
Yeah, that's it.
like the Statue of Liberty. Give me your wretched, your day trading losers, and we'll help you.
It's our band of merry traders. Nobody's writing anything in the comments. They're tired of hearing us.
It comes at 320.
I like this. This is a good trade. You guys still in with me? Dan, Mike Pewitt, Denise, Kev Dog's in. Nice. Good job, Tim. TC, nice job. Rad, Jerry. These people are waking up. You guys are waking up today.
Go Liberty Trading Club members.
Holy crap. I don't think I've ever seen this many people in trade.
Yeah, I know. This is a record, I think.
Actually said they were in the trade.
A world
bunch of
record.
guys. Nice job, everybody. Holy crap. You guys are waking up. It's only taken a year of me screaming and yelling, participate, participate, participate. It's all right, Starter. Hang tight. There'll be another trade. Mike, dang it. Good job, guys.
Coming to that 20 level.
I am loving it. Don't know about that. I mean, there's some support right here, Starter. It's like McDonald's. I'm loving it.
I'm going to bet the ranch to keep that Western theme going.
Ranch. Were you doing the 219?
Yeah.
Love it. That's it. Trail guys, let's go. This is already
I don't know where you guys got filled, but 275 will give 100 ticks.
Yeah.
The best stock deals with. Let's see if pesos. 256. All right, 256. Yeah, don't worry about my number. Where you guys get filled at? Ugh.
Order filled.
Hey, there we go.
There we go. Did the kid call it? I bet the ranch on that sucker.
Yeah. Nice.
Takes discipline, guys, to wait, right? Yeah, I moved my sell stop up a little bit, guys, because that 320. So it just went in there instead of 313. But if you stayed at 313, you still got a good trade, right?
358. Let's use 358 for these guys. 358. So 258 is going to give us. I don't know if we'll get there. Maybe 258. You guys get 100 ticks.
Oh, yeah. Oh, be amazed. Be amazed.
Tim, you did perfectly fine today.
Did anyone add?
No regrets.
Did anyone add to their short once it broke down? Remember, we said you could add to the good trade. There you go. Pope, Dan. And everybody's in this. This is freaking weird.
It's awesome.
You know, we don't normally get that many traders who take the trades. Everybody's like, oh, I don't know. I'm afraid.
I'm afraid.
Yeah. Oh. Good job, Pope. Ghost Pipper.
Pope.
Good to see you. But does everybody understand? How do you?
All right, Pope. Have a good one to you.
That's a good one, Sabri. I'm not. You know what? That's a good question.
Simple.
Add if it's an
Same way you take off, Coach.
Okay.
You move it down to 1, keep the ATM, and hit buy market.
You just, in other words, you could put a sell stop in addition to what you have already.
Correct.
Okay. There you go.
That's all you have to do.
Mm-hmm.
Same way you take off.
And remember, guys, you could use either the chart-based trader or you could use a dome. Either way. And your banker doesn't care when you pull up to that window and say, I'd like to make a deposit from today's trading.
Moan. Nice trade, guys. Good job, everybody. Krug.
Okay, so where's the next support? Anybody looking at the next support? Remember this momentum bar we had here? This is called the momentum bar. You see this on the 2-minute chart? Guess what? Everybody was short here, right? Or not us, but other. We got out. Remember? Remember we got out. We hit our home run. We played Cucaracha. Newbies were just getting short, and they got pounded. Why? Do I have to explain it to some of our more experienced people? We understand, but for our newer traders, the big boys like to push it to help their friends. It's manipulated. They manipulate it up. They get all the little newbies short, stopped out, and then they say, all right, are you done? And the guys go, oh, yeah, I got plenty of shorts now. Good. We'll cover our long trade, and then we'll let it drop. And they do that all the time. Yeah, 260 would be your next area. And then right under that, 245. It's always tough to wait, too, because you see everybody, you see the market moving up, and then you're like, maybe I can catch a little of this. Maybe I should short it here. And you don't, in 6 minutes, after 6 minutes, you can see what's happening, right? Did everybody see that? After 6 minutes, right here, the market reached what? 372. So at 6 minutes, How many of us figured the market was going to go up a little bit before going? Pretty easy because you watched it. Great job, everyone. Great job, everybody. Yeah, you know what I'll do, Coach Hugo? I'll draw that out, like sort of do a draw of that setup, maybe toward the afternoon. That'll be great.
You're talking about the same thing we were talking about last night?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, how it looks, and if you think about it, right, Coach?
Yeah.
Right there, right?
Yep. Nice job, Jennifer.
I took a little scalp up there for 8 ticks only, but I really wanted that 320 area to break. That would confirm our analysis. And now it's a lot easier shorting for me anyway on the way down when all the longs are screwed up than to try to guess the top. So I'm a little nervous always when the market's going against us. Does
Brian.
the volatility trade still apply? Yeah. The idea was to try to catch that volatility. But guess what, Brian Sharp? Everybody knows about that too. You know, we're not the only ones.
So people have different numbers too.
Yeah, they're all okay. Let it come up here, and then one guy gets a little nervous, or gal trading manager goes, maybe I better front run them. Then all of a sudden, it starts going back, and everybody's got to jump in. But yeah, the volatility is still a decent number. 212 area. Now remember, somebody else might have calculated their volatility a little less.
94.
Yeah.
We had a couple of people that were right around 200, 190 something.
Yesterday, Robert put his, I think, 30 points higher and got a good fill. So again, these are estimates.
The idea is somewhere close to that number. Look for a good trade setup.
Mm-hmm.
And we had one somewhere close to that. What was the high? Coach, do you have that?
Yeah, right there. The high that we got was 383.
Yeah, I mean, that's what?
Yeah, the low
20 ticks off of what we were looking, less than 18 ticks off of what we were
Yeah,
looking
the low was 189, 33, 189 plus 212, right? So we predicted 33,401.
Tim's joke. Went to the gas station, got a bad fill. Cost $100.
Here's where we said volatility would take us. And instead, it got us up to 83. 18 points from the exact retracement.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Liberty Trading Club. Paulina here. Hope you guys caught that last trade and see how patience pays off. And if you're interested in joining us live in the trade room, visit libertytradingclub.com and register for your free 3-day trial. During your time with us, you'll have access to our live trade calls as well as participation in chat to have questions answered by a coach. After your first free 3 days, it's just $99 a month for trade room access, and you'll also unlock our core training videos on our methodology. Please like, subscribe, and share.